your coffee sweet, 2 sugars, pour it slow. You toss that cap on back, say, girl, it's time to roll. You flip your paper around, start reading from the end. You get real quiet when your day don't quite pretend. You tilt your hat to listen close to every word. You stand your ground for me when life gets getting stirred. You love that sunrise hush before the church bells ring. You hold me through the dark, make night a softer thing. But when you laugh, this whole old town lights up. Yeah, the neon signs in the sky both brighten up. When you laugh, I drop the weight I always drag. Your laughing's like my favorite Texas red, white flag. So take that laugh with you wherever highways wend. Let it remind you just what you are in my mind. I wanna hear it once again, a time or two. That laughing makes this wild old life feel brand spank new. 'Cause when you laugh, this whole old town lights up. Yeah, the neon signs in the sky both brighten up. When you laugh, I drop the weight I always drag. Your laughing's like my favorite Texas red, white flag.